Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video is related to the chapter circle in 10th standard CBSE. Here is the question. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the largest circle which touches the smallest circle. So after get the question, you have to draw a rough figure like this. So here there are two concentric circle with a radius 5 cm and 3 cm. Okay, so we can see that 5 cm and 3 cm there are different circles and the radius are one is larger than other. So the figure is like this, and we have to find the chord of the largest circle. There is one chord I have drawn. There is one chord AB which touches the smallest circle. So here this chord is touches the smallest circle. So we have to find the value of this chord, that is we have to find the length of this chord. Okay, here OP is the radius of the smallest circle that touches to the point P of the tangents AB. Okay, and here OA is the radius of the largest circle. So we can write it as here AB is the largest tangent to the smallest circle at the point P. Right, AB is the tangent to a smallest circle that touches to the point P. Therefore OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, OP is the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent AB is perpendicular to that tangent. Okay, so we can write it as OP is perpendicular to AB. So this angle is 90 degree. So by Pythagorean theorem we can write, so by Pythagorean theorem we have OA square is equal to OP square is equal to AP square. Don't forget about our question. We have to show that we have to find the length of AB. Okay, so here we don't know the value of AP. So from in this equation we can see the value of AP. So we have OA is equal to 5 square is equal to OP square. OP square is 3 square plus AP square. So from in this equation we can see that AP square is equal to 5 square is 25 and it is minus 3 square is 9. 25 minus 9 which is equal to 16. AP square is equal to 16. Therefore AP is equal to square root of 16 which is equal to, we know that it is the value is 4. So we get the value of AP is 4. So here this value is 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. So now OP is the line, that is radius, that line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent AB is perpendicular to that tangent. We know that already. Okay, and also the perpendicular line from the center of the circle bisect this chord. That means this length of this value is equal to length of this value. Bisect means this line bisects this chord. Okay, so since the perpendicular line, the perpendicular line from the center of the circle, from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Okay, therefore AP is equal to PB. Okay, AP is equal to PB. So AP is equal to PB is equal to, what's the value? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So the length of the chord is equal to, the value is AB, right? AB is equal to AP plus PB. AP plus PB. Therefore, which is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the chord is 8 centimeter. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.